anyway, I think that there's less than 100 million left on the OTC desk, and the dark pools, I think we're right down to the end of it here, and that's why you're starting to see price move a little bit more aggressively for XRP. I do think some of that volume made its way onto the exchanges today, and that's why XRP outperformed Bitcoin over the last 24 hours. Now, will that trend continue? It absolutely could as things progress here, because again, the supply left on the OTC market and the dark pools is very, very low. I do anticipate that we are going to see a BlackRock ETF or exchange traded product here in 2026 for XRP, and I do think that that'll add significant amounts of demand, but I think that's going to happen right at the opportune time, again, when all of these other catalysts play out, to be able to drive XRP's price up, to then settle the back into the stock market and de-risk from all of the losses on Bitcoin and settle them real time. So again, if you haven't watched the Domino Theory, I've been talking about this for 21 months. It'll be 2 years in March of this year ago that I put out the original Domino Theory and the thesis. So if you haven't, check it out on the channel. Without further ado, one more thing and then we'll get to the super chat. The Prime Minister in Japan has also stated that they are ready to implement blockchain and crypto into their financial system. Very interesting and very timely of her to say that today, with everything that's playing out there for the reverse carry trade and Japan being such a critical component and player in the global ecosystem for the adoption of this asset class. SBI, if you, again, have done any research, you know that they are a 10% owner in R3 and in Ripple. And Yoshitaka Tao, who's the principal there, is a huge advocate for XRP. He used to be, the financial person for the Prime Minister 2 prime ministers ago. All things that make you go,